Hi everyone, my name is Virginia Duan, also known as Mandarin Mama. I write at mandarinmama.com, and today I'll be doing another 5-minute writing tip. We've already done who, what, when, and now we're going to we've done who, what, where. I keep getting these wrong. Who, what, where, and now we're doing when. Next time we'll be doing why and then how. And then after that, lots of other possible topics. So for the when, there's several ways you can approach when. You can do when is your audience, as well as when is your story. Okay, so for the when is your audience, what that means is, technically if you're writing for something online or even a book or even a story, when is your audience, that will vary, right? People should be able to come to your piece at any point in time, right? And be able to kind of understand it. But if you're writing something more for the present day, to be consumed by the present, then the when also is important, right? If you are, so literally when is like, if you're writing a piece about, let's say, a movie, when is your audience? Has the movie been released to the general public? If it is not, will you be doing spoilers? That's something to keep in mind, right? When you write, are you going to talk about spoilers? Are you going to talk about, are you going to assume, you have to assume that they have not seen it, right? Now, if you're writing a piece for the audience after the movie has already been released, or even years after the movie has been released, then you can talk about it all you want, right? Or you just say a spoiler alert, or if it's an old enough movie, it's a reasonable assumption to assume that the audience is familiar with the movie, has already seen it. So when, in that sense, is important. Do they have the context for your story? Is it before or after an event? So those whens matter, okay? Also, kind of when, this is similar to the intangible where that we spoke about, that I talked about last time. When are they in their life? Are they in school? Are they still students? Are they children? Are they teenagers? Are they young adults? Have they had children yet? Are their children young? Are they, elementary school, high school, college, empty nesters? Are they divorced? Is it before they've gotten married? Is it after? Is it, all these whens, all these life events. When are they along this spectrum? Okay. So, in my case, when I write about teaching kids Chinese, I'm assuming a lot of whens, right? They've already had kids, or they're around kids and they're teaching them, and I'm assuming they're contemporaries of mine. So that it is during this period of when the Sagebooks curriculum, that's the Chinese curriculum I talk about a lot. Has it gone through new editions, or is it a new version of it? So that matters, right? Or when is their child, what life stage is their child, in that sense of when, okay? In terms of story, when is your story? If you're writing fiction, when is your story? Is it a made-up time? If it is a made-up time, if it's not set in the real world, like fantasy or sci-fi, or near future or whatever. When is it? Is it pre-industrial? Is it Neolithic? Is it prehistoric? Is it post-colonial, pre-colonial? And colonized by whom, I guess. Is it after space travel? Is it after faster than light travel? Is it, all these whens, right? Is it before a war, after a war, during a war? Is the when matters of big events in history, of your story, okay? And the same thing crosses over into writing nonfiction, or when is the story taking place? Did this story that you're reporting on, or that you're writing about, or you're telling someone about, did it happen, when, same considerations, right? Pre-war, post-war, during war, pre-big event, post event. You already naturally segregate the things that happen to you in a like a when, right? Like, oh, when I was in college, when I was a student, when it was right after 9/11, it was right before 9/11. Those things matter, right, to your story. So those are a few things to consider when you're talking about when. And of course, if you're talking about time travel, that totally makes a difference, and you should plot out, time travel lines and how histories diverge. And now I'm totally digressing, but I find that stuff very interesting. So once again, thank you for sticking around for my 5-minute writing tip. My name is Virginia Duan, and I write at mandarinmama.com. Thanks.